In this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace front sway bar links on a Nissan Maxima. 21mm socket, we're going to remove the lug nuts on the front tire. Upper sway bar link, the nut is a 18mm socket, and you're going to use a 19mm wrench on the back side to hold it, and there's a cutout for it. Fits perfect. So 18mm socket, and we're going to take that nut off. So to remove the lower sway bar link connection to the sway bar rod, ours is broken, as you can see, the link's completely gone. The inside would be a 19mm wrench, and the outside is an 18mm wrench or socket. And then we're going to break that free. Put the upper sway bar link through the strut mount, where it's mounted on the strut, and then put the nut on. This is a self-locking nut. It has like a neoprene threading on there, so you won't get it past that by hand. So that's why they provide a wrench side for the back, so you can put a socket on and snug that down. So the hex on the back of this sway bar link is a 19mm, and the nut is an 18. We're going to hold it with that wrench, snug it right down. Now we're going to attach the sway bar link to the sway bar. Fish that link right through. Take the lock nut, start it. That has Teflon thread on the end, so you're only going to go so far. 19mm wrench on the inside. And my 18 ratchet wrench. Once it bottoms out, now I'm going to get my torque wrench, put my 18mm socket on there, and set it to the factory spec. Torque spec for this sway bar link to bracket is 78.5. Now you can tighten your sway bar link to the strut housing and the stabilizer bar to 78.5 foot-pounds. Now we can mount the tire. I'll lug this on by hand. .21mm socket. Go in a crisscross pattern or star pattern. Just snug them up, and we'll torque them when we lower it to the ground. 21mm socket, 83 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Double check. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.